Welcome back to my shop. Today I just finished to secure the inside plate inside the column. Those plates are there to bring the rigidity needed for the machining. And if you do not have enough rigidity, you will have some vibration. And if the column or the bed is vibrating, you will have some chatter on the part. So you need to have a very robust and stiffness, but you have to take care also of the vibration itself. And what I will share the result here on the back of the column, but I want to show you something critical for the CNC machine. If you take a small hammer like that with some protected hand, and you can use it, and if you hear the sound, you can compare if you have something very strong or not. For example, I hit the bed, and you can hear, and you will hear the sound. So if you hear this type of sound quite low, it does mean that there is no vibration. And if I do the same thing where I put a plate inside, and if you hear it, as you can see, it looks like it's very stiff, very heavy. But if I go higher on the column and you do the same thing, what you can hear is the following thing. So it's like a slight drum, and it does mean that you will have some vibration during the machine operation if the head is in this position. In the other end, where I put inside plate, you can see it's very stiff, the sound is not the same. So it's the good way to check if you will have some vibration. As I already know that, I already prepare some holes on the column to be sure that I do not have this kind of concern. So on the back of the column, I have a plate just at the end, at the very top of the column, 1 1/3 of the height, 1 2/3 of the height, and 1 at the end that is also connected to the top of the column. So with this kind of design and this kind of feature, you be sure that you will have any kind of vibration during the machining, and whatever the head could be. So it's something very important. It could add a lot of job, and I will share with you the back. So there is not only one plate, there is 2 plates, and they are creating a T, and the T is a good way to be opposed to the vibration. So even if you add some more works on it, you're sure that there will have no vibration at all. So let me grab the camera. I will show you what I did. I also had some holes inside to let the wire go inside the column to go to the head, and so I could have some hair, I could have some coolants, I could have some oil system, I could have some sensor wires. So I put a lot of holes inside the plate and let them communicated all around inside the CNC machine. So you have a close view of the inside plate. So there is 4 screws on the front. You have also 4 screws on the right, and same thing on the left. Let me show you the left side. And behind you have also 4 screws on the left side. So it's a kind of T-plate. I will show you the way it is created. And there is also 4 screws here on the back. So the purpose of the inside plate is to join all the different kind of plates. So you can see here the back, there is a big holes. It's only if I need to introduce some big wires here. So if you look at the inside, you can see there is enough holes to let the wires go through this plate. and I have to do the same thing in this position inside the column, and I will put also one last plate here on the top to be sure that all this column is very stiff. So you see the back plate with the T design links to the screw. And also, if you look at the inside, there is also some holes, and I can travel some wires inside the bed, and for example for the sensor, or also to send some wires for the stepper motors or the servo I will put in the machine. So it is. So the next step is to do the other inside T plate, and all the base will be okay, and we'll be able to receive the linear rail and the ball screw. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned.